Thank you. Yes, thank you, Sarita. And right away going to the session today, Shruti, I just want to know, do you want the children to sing the whole song or just the mukla of that and you will listen to them? How are you going to go ahead with that?
I think maybe they can start with the charanam, maybe a
Okay.
little, so that I can also gauge a little of the mukhra towards the end, maybe.
Okay,
I
fine.
feel that is better.
Okay.
I did go through the list of songs that Sarita ji had sent already.
Okay.
I know most of the songs,
Yeah.
but definitely I will be more than happy to listen to all of them sing their, you
Okay.
know,
Okay. Okay.
songs. That
Shall
will
we
be.
start off directly then?
We can start, but
Yes.
quickly before that, I would like to thank Sarita ji, Kripa ma'am, and everyone associated with this, Padma ma'am, and the entire team of Manipal Mahila Samaj, and all the lovely children here and their parents, because without the parent support, it's difficult to make things happen. So thank you. It's an absolute honor. Tumba khushi ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. And when it comes to children, it's even more, it
Yes.
gives more happiness because
Yes.
they are those raw diamonds, no? They are yet to be polished, and slowly this whole entire process is going to make them into beautiful human beings altogether. And I always believe that music brings out the best in a human being. I think if you are associated any form of music or art, it brings out the best in a person. So absolute honor. Thank you for inviting me. And I would also like to mention Mr. Swaroop's name, who contacted me regarding this first,
Yeah.
and got me in touch with Sarita ma'am. So thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay.
And directly to start with, I have a list of children. I mean, whatever list we have, I will call out their names and they can start singing their song.
Oh yes.
Would that be okay?
Oh, perfectly,
Yeah,
perfectly.
fine.
Perfectly.
Okay, I'll start. Yeah.
After I listen to everything, towards the end, I will give an whole brief of what I feel uh, as a whole. When it comes to a competition, I have a few points written, so I will
Okay.
tell that.
No, just to be out of some confusions, you will speak only after all the children sing,
No, no, no.
or
I mean, one on one, of course, I'll
yes. Okay,
immediately give them the
fine.
tips there.
Yes,
But
right.
yes, yeah.
Okay.
Let's start.
And
Kripa,
yeah.
Kripa,
Yeah.
I request the child to open his video so we can spotlight
Yes.
him when he's singing.
Yes.
Correct.
Children, I think you can listen. I think you are able to listen to me and Shruti madam. What we are trying to do is what you have practiced a lot for this competition and for the finale, of course, definitely. And one by one, as I call out your names, please unmute yourself and switch on the camera, and you will be spotlighted. So then you can start singing the charana, not the first Pallavi Beda, charana matra. Hadre, or ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ stop, and you can ask them to stop in between how
Sure,
much
sure,
you would like them to sing Shruti,
sure, ma'am. Sure.
and then you can guide them or you can
Oh,
give your tips as to
okay.
okay.
Just
And
to know, when is the finale? Just
second and the 3rd of October now.
okay.
You
Okay.
have one more weeks. We have one more
Sure,
week.
sure. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Yes.
Thank you. And Tanusha, this girl is the first registrant of the competition since the audition round, and every round she has been sending her name. I mean, hers is the first name
First
what we
end,
received.
exactly. Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
So we'll start with Tanusha only.
Sure, sure.
Okay.
Wow.
Tanusha, Deepa madam, Tanusha is, we are able to watch her, right? She's
Yes, yes,
spotlighted?
yes, yes.
Yes.
She is there.
Okay, fine. Okay, yeah. Tanusha, ನೀನ್ ಹಾಡಮ್ಮ ಚರಣ ಹಾಡು ನಿನಗೆ ಹಾಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಹಾಡಿದ್ರದ್ದು you can start the song. Shruti on ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. All of you get ready with the Shruti if you want to start. Shruti is already here with us, but for you people to
Always,
listen.
always best to sing with the Shruti.
Ma'am, can I sing like this itself, plain?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, you can,
You
but
can.
your voice is breaking. Am I only one
No, her voice is breaking.
breaking slightly? No, okay, okay. Do you want the Shruti,
Okay.
Tanusha? I can just give you the Shruti if you know the scale of the song.
No,
Tanusha.
ma'am.
Okay, no, no worries. Just carry on, carry on. No worries.
तड़पाई मुझे तेरी सभी बातें, एक बार रे दीवाने, झूठा ही सही प्यार तो कर। मैं भूली नहीं हंसी मुलाकातें, बेचैन करके मुझको, मुझसे यूं ना फेर नजर। रूठेगा ना मुझसे मेरे साथ ये वादा है, तेरे बिना मुश्किल है जीना मेरा, तेरे दिल में जरा जरा बहकता है, महकता है आज तो मेरा तन।
I think we'll
Yeah,
just stop at this.
sure, sure.
Tanusha, I think she has been, I don't know, there is a net problem, I think so.
Network. Yeah, okay. So that was nice, Tanusha. I hope you are able to hear me. It's good. See,
Oh, she's still singing?
she's still singing.
Tanusha?
Okay.
मैं प्यासी
I think it's still
हूँ,
Yeah,
sending
the
the.
lag is just
Yes,
continuing
yes.
like that. Yes.
Okay.
मुझे
Uh,
अगर ले
yeah.
अपनी
Correct.
बाहों में।
Wonderful, Tanusha. It was really
Very good.
good.
Very good, Tanusha. If you are able to hear me now, well and good, or else you can always go back to the recording. See, one thing when you are selecting a song or singing a song, it's for all the contestants here. You should always understand the mood of the song. Okay, what kind of a song this is, and you need to give in those expressions. And it's not necessary to give the murkis or the gamakas, ending of every line. It's not necessary. Only for classical songs it sounds good, but when it comes to film songs, I personally always believe that you have to leave it, with a slight vibrato. Vibrato is the main point on which you are always gauged in a competition. That shows your professional singing. This is for all the singers that I'm telling here. Huh? So as I heard, यूं ही बरस बरस काली घटा बरसे, हम यार भीग जाए इस चाहत की बारिश में. You just need to leave it there because this is a romantic song. Okay, so you just give that slight give that slight vibrato and end the line there. And also in one of the lines, मेरी खुली खुली लटों को सुलझाए. So that particular, one thing, you have to listen to the songs umpteen number of times before you start singing. And Bombay Jayashree, such an exceptional singer. I think she's one of my favorite. And the way she sings Carnatic classical, the way she sings Carnatic, and now when you come to this genre that she's sung Zara Zara, it's completely different. But she's not brought in that style of Carnatic singing in the song. That is very important. That is very important. You need to know how to sing a particular song. So all you need to do is just listen, listen, listen. And this point, I always tell everyone, whoever asks me for some tips, listen to your song before you go to sleep. Whichever song that is, even if the toughest song, if you have time, it's very good. If you have time in hand, every day listen to your song just before going to sleep. Don't try to sing. So it gets registered in your subconscious mind, and the next day when you wake up fresh, you can easily, sing it. This is how I do with my songs. This is how I perform or I practice my songs. So these things, but otherwise, Tanusha, your pitching and everything is very nice, very good. Now only coming to the finer tunings, you should just work on that. But otherwise, overall, very nice. You have a very good tone. Keep it up. Keep learning. Okay, that's
Thank you,
nice.
ma'am.
Very nice, very and good selection of song. Very good.
Yeah. Thank you,
Thank
Tanusha, for
you,
that.
ma'am.
Thank you. And next,
Sarita, excuse me, Kripa.
yeah.
Sarita. Sarita. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we have Mr. Gopi Kamath with us from Dubai. So let us start with the celebration of Kripa's birthday.
Sure. This is
Sure,
a
sure.
surprise
Oh my
and for
God. What is all this now?
Kripa one surprise.
Surprise for you.
How lovely, how lovely.
Seriously, this is very much unexpected. And
You deserve every bit.
thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, Padma ma'am, we are
Yeah,
ready.
you please welcome him, Sarita.
Yeah, I would take this opportunity to welcome Mr. Gopi Kamath. He is a renowned self-taught musician and he is based out of Dubai. He has passion for music and he loves music and children especially. So today he's here with us to celebrate the birthday of our dear beloved Kripa. So it's a
Thank you so
surprise.
much. That's such a pleasure. That's such an honor,
Yeah,
actually.
thank you, Sarita. Thank you, Sarita. Now it is a pleasure to say that to celebrate one USS Pilla, Madam Kripa, to celebrate her
God.
birthday. We have a Adhara Stamba of music from Dubai, Mr. Gopi Kamath. Please, over to you, sir. Over to you.
Thank you, thank you. Ma'am, I took a half day off and came to wish you happy birthday.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. I'm really honored, and it's my pleasure to listen to such words from you. Kind of such a
Happy 21st birthday. That's what I feel.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kripa. Happy birthday to you. और की तरह कुछ मैं भी तूफान चलाता मैं तेरी हंसी महफिल में फूल लेके आता जिन्हें कहा इन्हें क्या है फूलों की जरूरत तो पहाड़ खुद कहलाए हर कली का दिल बहलाए तुम जियो हजारों साल में भी है आरज़ू Happy birthday to you Happy birthday to you Happy birthday to you Kripa Happy birthday to you Happy birthday to you Happy birthday to you
Oh my God. This is like, the
Yeah, very
fantastic,
nice.
sir. Thank you so much
And
for
another-
singing for me.
Yeah.
I'm listening to you. I'm enjoying the whole session, and it's such a surprise that you have come in, sir. And thank you so much for that. And thank you, whole team of Mahila Samaj, for celebrating my birthday in this manner. Never expected all these things, and definitely, thank you so much. I have no other words. Thank you.
Yeah, one or two songs we expect from you, Mr. Kamath. One or two songs, please.
Okay, before that, I'm a pure Konkana. I do business always. So I can cut a deal with you all. Any member's birthday, I will sing, but you have to pay me for that. I can make a yearly contract.
Oh.
Okay.
We'll think of it.
Yeah, please. I'm giving you time. There's one Konkani talking about it. I can hear her. I'll give you two songs, Kripa. Maybe old songs. I don't sing new songs at all. You have a stalwarts there on the screen who was just now mentoring kids. She
Yes.
did a good job. For me, I have absolutely no training. For me, Karnataka, Hindustani, both are same. For me, it's what I hear, I sing. So I have
Same
no
here,
training
sir.
at all.
Same here. To tell you frankly, I've never had any proper like formal training. It's just the film songs that has trained my voice. That is, I
Oh, no,
always
no.
maintain that.
Like that, I'm fully trained, married for 42 years. I'm fully trained like that. Okay, I'll
Okay.
give a song. Hope you all will like it. This song is sung by Hemant Kumar for the movie Chabili.
Wow, wow, wow.
There's some technical glitch. Give me a second. Till then, somebody else can talk. Just give me a minute.
Okay. I think we'll go
One
ahead
more
with the
student.
one more contestant now.
One more student. Yeah.
Yes. Is Shweta Kulal there? Because last time she was late and I don't see her on the screen anywhere. Shweta Kulal, are you there? No. We'll wait for her because she goes to the college and gets back a little late usually. Akshara Shetty,
I'm ready. I'm ready.
are you ready, sir? Are you? Okay, fine. Then we'll go ahead with Gopi Kamat sir, and then Akshara, be ready with your song, girl.
Okay, ma'am.
We are be ready. I'm ready for.
Yes, sir. I too am ready to listen to you, sir.
Thank you. Hope you will like it.
Definitely singing a song and any music for that matter, no problem at all, anytime.
Anytime. Okay. So
Yes.
this will be your most memorable 21st birthday. I hope so.
Thank you, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah, I'm wearing glasses because I don't want to show my black circles under my eyes. Otherwise,
I
my
think
eyes are.
there are no black circles, sir. Probably there is a lighting problem over your this thing. That's why you get the black circles under your eye, right?
No, ma'am, the light is right in front of me.
Okay,
So
fine. Go ahead, sir,
I'm like
please.
that only.
Yes.
Okay, Hemant Kumar comes in. लहरों पे लहर उल्फते जवां रातों की सहर चल आओ यहाँ सितारे टिमटिमाते हैं तू आजा आजा मचलती जा रही ये हवाएं आजा आजा लहरों पे लहर उल्फते जवां रातों की सहर चले आओ यहाँ This is a copy of an English song. सुलगती चांदनी में हम रही है तुझ पे नजर कदम ये किस तरफ बढ़ते चले जाते खबर जमाने को है भूले हम आचल दे साथ ये सफर लहरों पे लहर उल्फते जवां रातों की सहर चले आओ यहाँ
நில்லு போடாத
न जाने कौन सी राहें हमारा कौन सा है जहां, सहारे किसके हम ढूंढे हमारी मंजिल है कहाँ, सदा देती मगर कहती है मेरी दुनिया है यहाँ, बहरों पे लहर जवान, रातों की सहर चली आओ यहाँ, सितारे टिमटिमाते हैं तुम आजा आजा, मचलती जा रही ये हमारे आजा आजा, लहरों पे लहर लिपटे जवान, रातों की सहर चली आओ यहाँ।
क्या
Thank you,
बात है
sir.
सर,
Thank you, thank you.
ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್.
Thank you.
ನನ್ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಹಾಡ್ಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕಲ್.
You just tell me, I'll go on singing, tell me where I should send the invoice.
We'll have a separate session for you, sir.
No, I was about to say that. I was about to say that.
Now I want you to get up and dance. Then I'll sing one now.
So
Let me
nice,
song
so
for you.
nice.
Okay, this is going to be my last song.
That's the spirit.
If you all can, any ladies, you can keep your video off and dance also. But tell me after the event that you danced.
Sure, sir. We'll definitely keep a session for that separately. And you're going to sing one more song, sir. You said
One more,
two
last
songs.
song, last song, last
Thank you,
song.
thank you, thank
Okay,
you.
this is from the movie Kashmir Ki Kali, sung by Mohammed Rafi. The song which I sing is sang just now. That is a copy of a English song,
Okay.
Mandolino, sung by Dean Martin. And one more great musician, music director and judge tried to copy it and did ye kali kali aankhein.
Anu Malik.
Okay.
I was about to
That was
sing
the
in
third
between. Then
version.
I thought Gopi Kamal sir will really shout at me now because that's such a wonderful song you're singing, and I mean in between singing that Kali Kali Aankhe.
No. Ye kali kali aankhein I can show you, but I will not sing. ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा, तारे पुकारो क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा, तारे पुकारो क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। कृपा फॉर यू। एक चीज कयामत भी है, लोगों से सुना करते थे, तुम्हें देख के मैंने माना, वो ठीक कहा करते थे, वो ठीक कहा करते थे। हे चाल में तेरी जालिम, कुछ ऐसे बना था जादू, सौ बार संभाला दिल को, पर होते रहा बेकाबू। तारीफ करो क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। का रंग सुनहरा, ये नींद सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज में गहरा था। करो क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया।
Beautiful, sir. Thank you.
हर सुबह किरण की लाली है रंग तेरे गालों का, है शाम की चादर काली, साया है तेरे बालों का। हर सुबह किरण की लाली है रंग तेरे गालों का, हर शाम की चादर काली, साया है तेरे बालों का, साया है तेरे बालों का। तू बरसाती एक नदिया, हर मौज कभी अंगड़ाई, जो इन मौजों में डूबा उसने ही दुनिया पाई। करो क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये नींद सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज नहीं मैं कह रहा था। करो क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये नींद सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज नहीं मैं कह रहा था। करो क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। करो क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। करो क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। करो क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया।
Adorable, sir. Adorable.
Very
Thank you,
nice.
sir.
Super,
Thank you.
super.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Hope
you so much for the
all
songs.
have enjoyed. I couldn't see any ladies dancing.
We enjoyed, we danced.
We were dancing here only.
Okay, sitting and dancing. Okay, good exercise.
So always
Thank you so
brings
much,
the
sir.
Thanks
music.
for giving me a chance to sing for you all. Now you all can go ahead with your session.
Thank you.
If anybody is
Thank
singing,
you.
I'm putting my video off. If anybody is singing, I would love to listen to somebody
Def-
singing.
Yes, sir. We have a session like, Shruti is here with us. She is a playback singer of Kannada film industry. And we have our contestants singing a few Charana songs of what
Yes,
they're singing for the finale. And she will be giving a few tips as to how it can be sung and what can be sung, what can be done for
Okay,
the
Shruti, you can give me also tips, no problem.
Sir, no, sir, not you, sir. You are. I mean, if you were in the competition, maybe yes. No,
Yes,
but
I
you
think-
really are doing such a nice job, sir. Really, nothing,
For
no
my
words
age,
to
this is
say.
right, right?
Perfect, sir. Arey, hats off.
I'm 2 years younger to her.
I know.
Okay, thanks, mom. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you,
Thank you, sir. Thank you very
so
much. And I really
Thank
enjoyed
you very
your
much,
song for my
Mr.
birthday.
Gopi
Thank you.
Kamat. Thank you.
Bye.
If you are free, you can continue sitting. Yeah.
Yeah,
If
I
you are
will
free.
know. If I sit, then I can't scratch my head, can't do all those things. I'll be off the video, then I will listen to you.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for that. I think we'll directly go with the Akshara now.
Yes.
Akshara, you can start off
Yes,
with the
ma'am.
Charana. Aita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Go ahead, girl.
चूड़ी जो कन के तो कहती है खन खन, घुंघरू जो छन के तो कहती है छन छन, कन कन हो या फिर छन छन हो, मतलब इनका जब तक हो दो, मैं भी हूँ तब तक जब तक तुम हो, जो सच है वो तुम मान ही लो। दिनक दिनक दिन दिल लाना नगरदानी दिन धूम, दिनक दिनक दिन दिल लाना नगरदानी दिन धूम। सुबह की पल्ला शाम की दो, एक दो सारा एक ही है, दो आंखों से देखे हम फिर भी नजारा एक ही है। दिल है दो लेकिन सनम प्यार की धारा एक ही है, कहता है मेरा ये दिल पिया, कोई है ही नहीं, कोई है ही नहीं। काया है तू छाया हूँ मैं, तू ना हो तो मैं भी नहीं, तू ना हो तो मैं भी नहीं।
Very
Thank
nice.
you. Very
Very
nice.
nice.
Thank
Huh?
you,
Very
ma'am.
good, Akshara.
Thank
I
you,
just
ma'am.
wanted to know, are you singing that last Swara portion?
Yes, ma'am, I'm singing that.
Can you sing that a little for me?
Okay, ma'am. Mama gaga mama sa sa gaga sa sa gaga nini sa gaga sa mama sa gaga sa papa sa gaga sa nini sa gaga sa ni da pa maga gama pani sa gari sa ni da pa maga ri sa gama कहता है मेरा ये दिल पिया, papa nini sa sa gaga mama papa nini sa sa ni sa gama pani da pa maga ma pani sa gari sa ni sa maga ri sa ni da कहता है मेरा ये दिल पिया, रे रे सा नि सा री री सा सा रे रे नि नि सा सा गा रे सा नि सा गा रे सा नि दा pa 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 ni da pa ma ga re sa ni sa ga ma pa ni da pa ma pa ni sa ga re sa ni sa ni da pa ma कहता है मेरा ये दिल पिया, कोई है ही नहीं, कोई है ही नहीं।
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice, Akshara. Very nice. Technically, very nicely you're singing.
Thank
All
you,
you
ma'am.
need to now add a little, as in the food we add salt, no? A little feel to the song. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
Then it will
Okay,
sound
ma'am.
like a complete package. Very
Okay,
nice.
ma'am.
Very. It's a very very difficult song to sing. Very very good choice of song. So
Thank you,
just
ma'am.
keep listening to it and a little feel in the lyrics portion. Swaras and all perfectly good when you're singing. Kaya hai tu, chaya hu main. So if you add
Yes,
all
ma'am.
that, no, it will give a nice feel to the song.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, very
Okay,
good.
ma'am.
Good job.
Okay, ma'am.
Very
Thank
good.
you, ma'am.
Yeah, this was what I had also told her when she told me that she had selected this song, Kehta Hai Ye Dil Mera. I told her this is definitely a tough song to sing live,
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, singing, practicing at home it's okay, fine. But when you sing live with the musicians around you, and it is a very tough song because definitely
Yes.
it's a classical oriented song towards the end. And
Yes.
the murkigalalla ಆ ಥರದ್ದು complete song ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಇದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಅದೇ ತರ ಇದೆ. That was the
Very
reason.
nice.
Then she said, okay, she's confident. I said, okay, fine, go ahead. No issues
You-
at all. You
That's
have to
fine.
opt for
Yeah, yeah.
certain songs like that.
Good, good.
As
If you're
for the finale.
confident, nothing like it. Very good.
Yes.
But
Thank
when
you,
it
Akshay.
comes to musicians, it's a total
Yes.
different ball game altogether.
Yes, yes.
So just make sure you rehearse your songs well with the musicians. Okay?
Okay,
Good.
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good, Akshara. All the best. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes.
Next, directly, can we go to Tanmayi?
Yeah.
Tanmayi Bhatt?
Yes, ma'am.
Akshara is fanning us.
I know. Tanmayi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
Deepa
What is
Madam
Tanmay
Tanmayi on.
singing? What
She
are
has
you-
not, Tanmay has not put on her video. That's why I can't spotlight her.
Oh, okay, okay. What song are you singing, Tanmay?
Alivela Sajan.
Oh, oh, lovely. Very nice.
Tanmay, please put on your video.
Very nice.
Can you see me?
Yes.
Tanmay.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes,
yes,
yes.
yes.
अलबेला सजन आयुरी अलबेला सजन आयुरी मोरा मन सुख पायुरी अलबेला सजन आयुरी अलबेला 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 रिगम पद पम गम पद नी रा रिगम पद पम गम पद नी 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 पद नि स नी द नि स रि ग रि ग ग ग रि स रि स नि ग प म ग अलबेला सजन आयुरी.
Okay. You want to sing that? Dhim ta na 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 dhere na. Okay.
धीरे न न न धीरे ना धीरे न न धीरे न न धीरे न ना चौक पुरावो मंगल गावो चौक पुरावो मंगल गावो मन रंग नित पायुरी अलबेला सजन आयुरी.
Good. Very good, Tanmay. Nice singing. And you have a good riyaz also. We can make out. Good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Can you just repeat the first line, Alabela? That can you just sing how you're
Okay.
singing it a little differently, I feel.
Okay, ma'am, I'll just sing. अलबेला सजन.
Yes.
Alabela, Alabela. That is how
अलबेला
the bay, no? Alabela, sajan ayori.
अलबेला सजन आयुरी.
Fine. You have to listen to it. You have to
Okay,
listen to it a couple of times. Sometimes what happens, we learn it in a different way, and then it becomes
Yes.
difficult to unlearn certain things. But it's okay. It's absolutely fine. It's not that it's not in the Shruti or anything. It's fine. You can continue singing this also. Keep practicing, especially the Swarasthanam, no? Needs to be a little more precise.
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise,
Thank,
good.
yeah. Thank you, Shruti, for
All the
your comments. But children, see, Shruti madam has come here to correct you and give you certain tips on what you're singing. That doesn't mean to say that you people are singing wrong. Okay,
Yeah.
so don't lose your confidence with the comments what the people come and give you as judges or as mentors. This is the one thing you definitely have to. Please don't lose confidence at all.
Yeah,
What they're saying is you just have to listen and practice according to that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. I would also like to tell that there is nothing wrong when somebody is correcting you. Okay,
Yes.
because I myself have been a contestant in a reality show. So people used to always tell, my judges used to always tell me, here you went wrong, there you went wrong. But what I did was I used to take it positively, learn, practice those, things again, not repeat my mistakes. That's
Yes.
one thing you need to. And there's nothing, always take negative criticism as the most positive thing for your own self.
That's a
Never.
fantastic thing
Yes.
what you have told.
Never,
Shruti.
yeah, it is only for your good, whatever. It's the same like how our parents correct us when we make mistakes. It's the same way. They do
Yeah.
it for our good.
Yeah.
So keep that in mind. You all are
Thank
doing
you.
a fantastic job, huh? I mean, at this age, what song selections you have taken. Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Excellent.
Thank you for that, Tanmay. You were
Yes,
excellent. Go
very good,
ahead with
Tanmay.
that. And now we have Dharini KS.
Yes,
Dharini.
ma'am. Miss, ma'am, can I sing O Sajna?
But what have you selected? No.
I've selected.
You have selected Shiva Shankari, right?
Yeah, we should sing that song only.
Yeah, because that needs some
Better.
mentoring. Okay.
Okay.
ನೀ ಅದನ್ನ ಆ ಹಾಡನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಲ್ವಾ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ
ಹಾ.
ಅದೇ ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಬೇಕು ಏನೇನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋ ಸಜೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Sorry.
Okay. And one more thing I would like to say, there are a lot of competitors here, Shruti, where they have gone to different regions for different competitions and won a lot of laurels for their area. This girl has, I think, recently gone for a Bhavagite competition. Alla Dharini?
Yes, ma'am.
And she
I
has
think
won the
Dharini
first
looks
place.
a little familiar to me. When the first time I saw her only, I felt I've seen her somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She is, I think that's a national level. Dharini adu.
Yeah, ma'am. It's a national level
Correct.
competition.
She has won
organized.
the first prize there.
That's lovely.
So I think it's a fantastic thing what she has done. And Dharini, you can directly go ahead. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಚರಣದಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಪಲ್ಲೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನಾನೇ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ.
ಹಾಡು ಅದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಹಾಡು ಚರಣದಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
शिव शंकरी शिवानंद लहरी शिव शंकरी शिवानंद लहरी शिव शंकरी शिवानंद लहरी शिव शंकरी चंद्रकलाधरी ईश्वरी चंद्रकलाधरी ईश्वरी करुणामृतमुनु सुरिसैयम्मा मनसु करगदे महिमे तोरिसुनी दीना पालनवु गैयनु शिव शंकरी शिवानंद लहरी शिव शंकरी शिव शंकरी शिवानंद लहरी शिवानंद लहरी शिव शंकरी शिव शंकरी शिवानंद लहरी शिव शंकरी शिव शंकरी शिवानंद लहरी शिव शंकरी. Thank you, ma'am.
Excellent. Very good.
Thank you,
Nothing.
ma'am.
I don't want to say anything. You are doing a very good job. Continue. Just listen, practice. But nothing
Okay,
else I
ma'am.
want to tell you.
Thank you so
Very
much.
nice. Very nice, dear. Can
All
I
the
quickly?
best.
I just want to hear Oh Sajna. Just 2 lines. I want to hear
Okay.
how she sounds in a
Yes.
Hindi song.
ऐसे रिमझिम में ओ सजन प्यासे प्यासे मेरे नयन तेरे ही ख्वाब में खो गए ऐसे रिमझिम में ओ सजन प्यासे प्यासे मेरे नयन
भूले खो गए
It's very high. It's very high. Very high. It's okay. It's okay. Don't sing. Don't sing. Don't sing. That's okay.
It's
You
okay.
That's
started
enough.
very high.
You took a very high. I thought when you started only, I felt you've taken a high
No,
pitch, but
I
it's
didn't get
okay.
the Shruti.
You, yeah,
That's
that's
okay.
okay, dear. I just wanted to hear 2 lines. No problem.
But
Very good. Very good. Very good. All the best. Keep listening and singing. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Good.
Thank you so much.
all the
Thank
best. All
Yeah.
the best. ಶ್ರುತಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಧಾರಣಿಗಾಗಿ
ಹಾ,
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್
ma'am.
ಸಾಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ
Okay,
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ
fine. No
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ
issues.
ಅದು
No
ಎಕ್ದಮ್ ಸೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅವಳಿಗೂ
issues.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
And she is also excited singing.
ಅಂಡ್ ಆ ಶಿವಶಂಕರಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಡಿಂದ ಎಕ್ದಮ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಟು ಓ ಸಜ್ನಾ ನಾಟ್ ಅನ್ ಈಸಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಸೊ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ
Fantastic. Yes.
Very good.
Okay. And now we go ahead with Purvi Shetty.
Ma'am,
Switch on your camera, girl.
I've switched on, ma'am.
Yeah. Purvi Shetty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes. Yes.
What
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
are you
ಶೋಕೇಸ್
singing?
ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಂದೆ ಟ್ರೋಫೀಸ್
What are you singing, Purvi? Huh?
I'm singing Kuhu Kuhu Bole Koyaliya.
Okay. Lovely. Carry on.
बोले कोयलिया बोले कोयलिया कुंज कुंज में भौरे ढोले गुनगुन बोले बोले सज सिंगार ऋतु आए बसंती सज सिंगार ऋतु आए बसंती जैसे नार कोई हो रसवंती धनी दम धनी सा गम गम धनी सा रे सरि धनी सरि 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 धनी नि धनी नि धनी मदद मदद मद गरि गम धनी सज सिंगार ऋतु आई बसंती जैसे नार कोई हो रसवंती डाले डाले कलियों को तितलियां झूमे फूल फूल पंखड़िया खोले अमृत घोले बोले
Some net problem was there.
A little bit. That's okay. I think we could hear the sound. Shruti, you
madam,
have to
you're
unmute
unmute.
yourself.
So sorry. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
that's
could hear her. There was
Yes.
no problem. Very good, Purvi. Very nice singing. Very neat. Only one pronunciation can be
Yes.
improved a little. You can work on that. Diction, you can work a little more. But your singing is very nice. Very neat singing. You're very confident also while singing. Very good. Kuhu kuhu bole koyaliya kunj kunj mein bhavre dole. Not dhole. Okay? Dole. Otherwise everything is fine. Okay, good. All the best. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
All the best.
Nice, Purvi. Thank you.
Thank you.
And then next we come to the, I think the youngest of the contestant list, that is Parjanya. Youngest, he's the youngest contestant. Yeah?
Second youngest.
Second youngest, he says.
First youngest yarappa? Yellidana?
Ayush.
Ayush Regan. Okay. Oh, you good, yeah? You're nice. You reminded me. Thank you, Parjanya. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Parjan, okay. Can you start?
Parjanya. What are you singing, Parjanya?
Nadamaya.
Lovely.
Hmm. ಸ್ವರಗಳ ಮಾಧುರ್ಯ ರಾಗದ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಮೃಗಗಳ ತಣಿಸೆ ಖಗಗಳ ಕುಣಿಸೆ ಸ್ವರಗಳ ಮಾಧುರ್ಯ ರಾಗದ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಮೃಗಗಳ ತಣಿಸೆ ಖಗಗಳ ಕುಣಿಸೆ ಸಡಗರದಿಂದ ಗಗನದ ಅಂಚಿಂದ ಆ ಗಗನದ ಅಂಚಿಂದ ಸುರರು ಬಂದು ಹರಿಯ ಕಂಡು ಹರುಸದಿ ಭುವಿಯ ಸ್ವರ್ಗ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತಿರಲು ನಾದಮಯ ಏನೋ ನಾದಮಯ.
Very good. Excellent.
Very
You are
nice.
9 years old, no, Parjanya?
Yes.
Very good, very
Fantastic.
good. What a lovely song you have chosen. Tumba ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ. Very nice. Okay, keep listening to it. Just continue what you are doing. You are going in the right way. So just continue doing it. Okay? Very good.
All the
All
best,
the best.
Virginia.
All the best.
Okay.
Before we bring on the next contestant, I would just like to tell everyone in total, all the contestants, sometimes, you know, I'm telling this out of personal experience, how I used to feel as a contestant when I used to hear someone singing a complete classical song. And mine used to be a very simple something like Nagu ಎಂದಿದೆ ಮಂಜಿನ ವಿಂದು. Now this is my song selection, but somebody else is singing a very, very complete out and out classical. I used to get a little scared. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ದೇವ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಹಾಡು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ all these thoughts keep coming in. I know how you all must be going through, but don't get disheartened. Okay, never feel like that, because singing the simplest song is sometimes the most difficult thing. Singing a
Yes.
simple, just holding on to a sa is very difficult. So never think, you know, I'm telling, because generally we have so many contestants, so at least ಒಬ್ರಿಬ್ರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಈ ಥಾಟ್ ಬಂದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬರ್ದ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. So never feel like that. Just when you have selected a song, make sure you give your 100% and present it in the best possible way. That is it.
ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ 100% ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅವ್ರು ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ ಹಾಡ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಕೋತಾರ ಏನೋ, ನಾವ್ ಹೇಗಪ್ಪ ಹಾಡೋದು. This definitely used to be there in everybody. Yes.
Correct.
We'll directly go to
Yes.
Parjanya. Thank you for
Thank
singing
you.
so very well. Go ahead with the singing. I mean, you're practicing, okay?
Very good.
Yeah. And then next we directly go to Sriram Prasad. Sriram Prasad? Are you there?
No.
Sriram. Okay.
Sriram Prasad is not
Hello.
there. Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I sing now, ma'am? I have to prepare for exam.
Manisha?
Manisha?
Yeah.
Yeah, how I recognized.
Fine.
Manish.
ಇದು ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ, ನೀನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ.
ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ
ಆನ್
I
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
think he has to be put on the spotlight.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Manish.
Manish, which
Can
song
you
are
hear
you singing?
ಕೆ ಪಗಗುಂಗುರು ಬಂದು.
Oh,
Yeah.
Kishore Kumar. Okay.
From first can I sing, ma'am?
Sing. You're doing all that? Very
Yes.
good. Okay, do.
बुजुर्गों ने फरमाया के पैरों पे अपने खड़े होके दिखलाओ, फिर ये जमाना तुम्हारा है। जमाने के सुरताल के साथ चलते चले जाओ, फिर हर तराना तुम्हारा, फसाना तुम्हारा है। अरे तो लो भैया हम अपने पैरों के ऊपर खड़े हो गए और मिला ली है ताल, दबा लेगा दांतों तले उंगलियां लिया, ये जहां देख कर अपनी चाल। वाह 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 वाह,
वाह वाह वाह।
धन्यवाद। के पग घुंघरू, के पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची थी और हम नाचे बिन घुंघरू के पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची थी। वो तीर बला किस काम का है जो तीर निशाने से चूके 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 रे, के पग घुंघरू।
Very good. Nice, nice, nice.
Thank
Very
you.
nice. One of my favorite songs.
Yes.
Very nice. Hey, that's starting. Hey, that can be a little more, force. Hey, hey, hey. All that. Otherwise, very nice. It's basically this is an energetic song.
Yeah.
So give
Ma'am,
your
with
best.
karaoke it will be more good, ma'am.
Yes.
Of course, and you are going to sing this with musicians, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Then it will be a different.
Honor, ma'am. I'm honored.
Very, very, very true. Very nice selection, huh? Just
My-
keep
Thank
up the spirit when you are singing this song. Have a nice smile. Okay? Good. All the best, Manish. Good job.
Thank you.
All the best, Manish. You can go and study now. Okay, take care. Yes. I think now, do we have Sriram Prasad? Has he come back? Can we see Sriram Prasad? No. If he is not there, then we can go directly to Maurya. Maurya Suri?
Sriram Prasad is there.
Is he there? Yeah, Sriram Prasad. Okay.
He needs to put on his video.
He has switched on, I think. Sriram Prasad.
He has not made his video on. Now.
Unmute. Yeah. Sriram Prasad. Yes. His video is on actually. Yeah.
Yes.
Right.
Hi, Sriram Prasad. What are you singing?
I am singing Tarikeri Yer Mele.
Arre, super. Go ahead.
Okay. Ma'am, can I sing with lyrics, ma'am?
Yeah.
Are you allowed to do that in the competition? Just asking. I wanted to know.
What is that? With the lyrics and
lyrics ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಡಬಹುದಾ
ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಡೋದಿಕ್ಕ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು.
ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನು ಒಂದ್ ವಾರ ಇದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡು.
ತರೀಕೆರೆ ಏರಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುರುಕರಿ ಕುರಿಮರಿ, ತರೀಕೆರೆ ಏರಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುರುಕರಿ ಕುರಿಮರಿ ಮೇಯ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಹಾಯಾಗಿ ಮೇಯ್ತಿತ್ತು. ತರೀಕೆರೆ ಏರಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುರುಕರಿ ಕುರಿಮರಿ ಮೇಯ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಹಾಯಾಗಿ ಮೇಯ್ತಿತ್ತು. ತರೀಕೆರೆ ಏರಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುರುಕರಿ ಕುರಿಮರಿ ಮೇಯ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಹಾಯಾಗಿ ಮೇಯ್ತಿತ್ತು 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 ಮೇಯ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಕಬ್ಬಿನ ಗದ್ದೆ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಬ್ಬಿದ ಗೊಬ್ಬಿದ ಗಬ್ಬತ್ತೋಳ, ಕಬ್ಬಿನ ಗದ್ದೆ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಬ್ಬಿದ ಗೊಬ್ಬಿದ ಗಬ್ಬತ್ತೋಳ, ಕುರಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹಬ್ಬ ಎಂದು ಕಾದಿತ್ತು, ತಿನ್ನು ಕಾಯ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಚಪ್ಪರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಣ್ಣು ಕೆಕ್ಕರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಣ್ಣು ಕೆಕ್ಕರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಚಪ್ಪರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಣ್ಣು ಕೆಕ್ಕರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಗುರಿ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ತೋಳ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಾಲಗೀಲ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾರೋ ಹೊತ್ಗೆ ಹಾಳ ಚೀನು ಬಂದೋಯ್ತು. ಕಾಲು ಜಾರಿ ತೋಳ ಕೆಳಗ್ ಬಿದ್ದೋಯ್ತು, ಕೆರೆಗ್ ಬಿದ್ದೋಯ್ತು. ಮರಿ ಕುರಿ ಮರಿ ಕರಿ ಕುರಿ ಮರಿ, 3 ಕರಿ ಕುರಿ ಮರಿ, ಎರಿ ಮೇಲೆ 3 ಕರಿ ಕುರಿ ಮರಿ. ತರೀಕೆರೆ ಎರಿ ಮೇಲೆ 3 ಕರಿ ಕುರಿ ಮರಿ, ತರೀಕೆರೆ ಎರಿ ಮೇಲೆ 3 ಕರಿ ಕುರಿ ಮರಿ ಮೇಯ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಹಾಯಾಗ್ ಮೇಯ್ತಿತ್ತು.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಚಂದ ಹಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೇಕು ಇನ್ನೊಂಚೂರು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆರಡು. ಏನ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ? ತುಂಬಾ ಏನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಿನ್ನೋದ್ ನೀನು? ಅನ್ನನಾ? ರೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆರಡು ಸೌಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರೈಸ್ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಕೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿನ್ನು. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್, ಕರಿ ಕುರಿ ಎರಿ ಮೇಲೆ 3 ಕರಿ ಕುರಿ ಮರಿ ಮೇಯ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಆ ಡೈನಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ತಾನೇ ಆ ಹಾಡಲ್ಲಿರೋದು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಕೀ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಇನ್ನು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಹಾಕು, ಸ್ಮೈಲಿಂಗ್. ಏನ್ ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ, ಯಾರಿದಾರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ, ಏನ್ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಹಾಡುವಾಗ. 100% ಡೂ ಆರ್ ಡೈ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ತರ ಹಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಎವ್ರಿ ಸಾಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೂಪರ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
Thank you, Shriram. Thank you, Shriram. All the best. Directly we go to Ankita.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Switch on your camera and.
As Ankita is being spotlighted, I would like to just share one incident. Kannada Kogilali, generally ಈಗ we used to have almost 20 contestants. So shooting ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂದು ಜನರಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಡೋರು ಹಾಡು. So I used to sit there, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. So I used to sit and last ಅಲ್ಲಿ it must be almost like ರಾತ್ರಿ 9:30 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ I used to get my turn to sing. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, ರಾತ್ರಿ 10 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ. ಆಗ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ಹಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಸಾಧು ಕೋಕಿಲ ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನೋರು, ಏನಮ್ಮ ಏನ್ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ ನೀನು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅನ್ನೋರು. ಸೊ ಸರ್ ನನ್ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಪುಳಿಯೋಗ್ರೆ 2 ಸೌಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಈಟ್ ವೆಲ್.
ಏನ್ ತಿಂತಿರೋ ಅದು 2 ಸೌಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 2 ಸೌಟ್ ಚಿಪ್ಸ್ ತಿಂತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 2 ಸೌಟ್ ಚಿಪ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ.
ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ.
ಓಕೆ Ankita, you can start.
What are you singing, Ankita?
ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಸಂಗೀತವೇ.
Beautiful. Please sing.
ಸಂಗೀತ ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಸುರಗಂಗೆಯಂತೆ, ಸಂಗೀತ ಎಂದಿಗೂ ರವಿಕಾಂತಿಯಂತೆ, ಸಂಗೀತ ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಸುರಗಂಗೆಯಂತೆ, ಸಂಗೀತ ಎಂದಿಗೂ ರವಿಕಾಂತಿಯಂತೆ, ಬಿಸಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ತಂಗಾಳಿ ಹೊಸ ಜೀವ ತಂದಂತೆ, ಆ ದೈವ ಸುದೆಯಿಂದ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮರಂತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಸಂಗೀತವೇ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯವೇ, ಕೇಳುವ ಕಿವಿಯಿರಲು ನೋಡುವ ಕಣ್ಣಿರಲು, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಸಂಗೀತವೇ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಅಗೇನ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ, ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಹಾಡೋ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅದೊಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Okay.
nice. Very good. Keep listening to your song many times and then
Okay.
sing it. Okay?
Okay,
All
ma'am.
the
Thank
best,
you, ma'am.
Ankita. Good.
Thank you,
Ankita,
ma'am.
Ankita, all the best, and you sang well. Okay, as Shruti
Yes.
madam
Thank you,
said.
ma'am.
ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸಮಾಜ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾನು ಕನ್ವೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. Shruti madam is telling from her side to everybody. I mean it actually.
Correct.
Okay, and right away, thank you, Ankita, and we can go
Thank
to
you.
Adya. Adya,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, you can switch on your camera. Shruti ಅವರೇ, ಆದ್ಯ ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇಗೆ, I don't know whether you were there then. She sang a Sanskrit shloka to wish me on my birthday today.
Wow. That's
That's
great,
a
Adya.
very, very unique the gesture actually.
So
Thank
sweet.
you,
So
Adya.
sweet.
Yeah, you can sing. Start the song, Adya.
Okay, ma'am.
What are you singing, Adya?
16 बरस की बाली
Ah,
उम्र।
very good.
कोशिश करके देख ले दरिया सारे नदियाँ सारे दिल की लकीर नहीं बुझती बुझती है पर चिंगारी आ, आ, 16 बरस की 16 बरस की बाली उम्र को सलाम है प्यार तेरी पहली नजर को सलाम सलाम है प्यार तेरी पहली नजर को सलाम दुनिया में सबसे पहले जिसने दिल दिया दुनिया के सबसे पहले दिलबर को सलाम दिल से निकलने वाले रास्ते का शुक्रिया दिल तक पहुंचने वाली नगर को सलाम है प्यार तेरी पहली नजर को सलाम सलाम है प्यार तेरी पहली नजर को सलाम
Wow.
Very good. Adya, just sing the next charana, just the 2 lines, not the entire charana. जिसमें जवान होकर
जिसमें जवान होकर बदनाम हम हुए जिसमें जवान होकर बदनाम हम हुए
Yes.
उस
Very
शहर
good. Bas, very nice. I just wanted to see your low notes also. Very good. Nice, huh? You're 10 years old. I was just seeing your age.
Yeah.
10, huh? So much of feeling she has already put into the song. Very
Yes.
good.
Yes.
Excellent. Just continue what you're doing. You're on the right path. Just go ahead.
Thank
Okay,
you, ma'am.
keep listening to the song. All the best.
Yeah. Good, Adya. All the best. Learn, listen to the song and sing properly. Okay, and practice properly. Okay.
Practice.
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye. Next, we can go ahead with the Amrita. G. Amrita.
Once again, I would like to repeat, if I'm telling some corrections, it's for your good, okay? So don't take it in the wrong way. And all of you are individually, you're all doing a great job. Fantastic singers you all are. Okay,
Yes.
you're definitely having very good future in music. My best wishes to all of you once again.
Thank you for that, Shruti. Hope we have identified the best singers around. And Amrita ji, are you around here?
Yeah, she's there.
Yeah.
She's there.
Yes. Okay. ಯಾವ ಹಾಡು
Hi,
ಹಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ
Amrita.
ಅಮೃತ? 2-3 ಸತಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಂದು ಹಾಡುಗಳು?
ನಾನ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಒಂದೇ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅಪರಾಧಿ ನಾನಲ್ಲ. ಹಾ ಸರಿ.
Amrita 14. Okay.
ನಿನ್ನಯ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೊಂಬೆಯು ನಾನು ಆ ಆ, ಆಡಿಸಿ ಬೀಳಿಸಿ ನಗುತ್ತಿಹೆ ನೀನು, ನಿನ್ನಯ ಸಹಿತ ಹೊಣೆ ನಿನ್ನದು, ಶೋಧನೆ ದಿನ ನನಗೆ ಅದು, ಪ್ರಭು ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ನೀಡುವೆಯೋ ರಕ್ಷೆ ಪುಣ್ಯ ನಿನಗೆ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ, ಪ್ರಭು ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ನೀಡುವೆಯೋ ರಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡುವೆಯೋ ಪಾಪ ಪುಣ್ಯ ನಿನಗೆ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ, ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನೇ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನೇ, ಧನಿ ಸಮದ ಸಗಸ ಧನಿ ಸಗ ಸನಿ ಸನಿ ಧನಿ ಸಮಾಧ ಸನಿ ನಿಗಾ ಸನಿ ದ ಸನಿ ದಮ, ಅಪರಾಧಿ ನಾನಲ್ಲ ಅಪರಾಧ ಎನಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಪಟ ನಾಟಕ ಸೂತ್ರಧಾರಿ ನೀನೇ, ಅಪರಾಧಿ ನಾನಲ್ಲ ಅಪರಾಧ ಎನಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Very nice. Excellent.
Beautiful.
Very good. Very good. No comments. Very nice. Continue. Bus. Continue. I'm sure the judges are going to have a very tough time.
I always keep telling it to myself and to my family people. I don't know. It is going to be very, very difficult.
Very difficult.
Because
Very
there's
difficult.
such a super talented singers around.
एक से बढ़कर एक, they say, no? All are on the top list.
Yes.
Very good. Very, very good, Amrita. Keep it up, okay?
All the best, Amrita. Thank you for singing that beautiful song. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ರೇರ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಇದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್, ಅದು ಫಿನಾಲೆ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈವ್ ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ತರ ಹಾಡುಗಳನ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. But these people are daring to take it, you know.
Yeah, and at such a young age, they are all daring to take such songs. Excellent.
What confidence, definitely.
Great.
All the best.
All the best.
Yeah. Next, directly we have Sriram Kota.
Okay.
Sriram. Is he there? He had got disconnected.
Hello, ma'am.
He's there, I think.
Okay,
I'm
fine.
sorry, ma'am. Can I sing now? Actually,
Sanvi wants to sing.
it is getting dark. I have network issue inside. I am outside.
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Sanvi Bairi.
Yes, Sanvi. What are you singing, Sanvi?
Mukunda Murari.
Murari. Okay.
Okay.
Sing, dear. Sing.
Nine Rama, Nine Shama, Nine Allah, Nine Yesu, Nine Karma, Nine Dharma, Nine Marma, Nine Prema, Nimma Jeevada Malika Nanu, Nimma Palina Sevaka Nanu, Nanagenu ಹೆಸರಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಣ ಕಣ ಕಣದೊಳಗೆ ಕುಳಿತಿರುವೆ ಮುಕುಂದ ಮುರಾರೇ, ಮುಕುಂದ ಮುರಾರೇ, ಮುಕುಂದ ಮುರಾರೇ, ಮುಕುಂದ ಮುರಾರೇ, ನೀನೆ ರಾಮ, ನೀನೆ ಶ್ಯಾಮ, ನೀನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀನೆ ಯೇಸು.
Very good. Nice, Sanvi. Just the ending ಇನ್ನೊಂಚೂರು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಲೈಕ್ ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೊಡೆದಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ನೀನೆ ರಾಮ ನೀನೆ ಶ್ಯಾಮ ಹಿಂಗ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್. ನೀನೆ ರಾಮ ನೀನೆ ಶ್ಯಾಮ ನೀನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀನೆ ಯೇಸು. And as I said, a little vibrato in the end will make it sound more professional. Okay?
Okay. Thank
Otherwise,
you.
very good, Sanvi. Nice song selection. Good.
Thank you.
All the
Thank you,
best.
Sanvi. Thank you,
Thank you,
Sanvi. Yeah. Now, Shriram
Shriram.
Kota.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಐಸೆ
Oh, you know?
Huh? Hi, Shriram.
Unmute madam.
ಏನ್ ಹಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಿ ಇವತ್ತು?
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋ, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂತ್ಕೋ. ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಓಕೆ. ಹಾಡು.
ಯಾವ ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್?
ಮಹಾಪ್ರಾಣ ದೀಪಂ.
ಹಾ ಹಾಡು. ಓಕೆ.
ಓಂ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಾಣದೀಪಂ ಶಿವಂ ಶಿವಂ ಮಹುಕಾರರೂಪಂ ಶಿವಂ ಶಿವಂ ಮಹಾಸೂರ್ಯಚಂದ್ರಾದಿನೇತ್ರಂ ಪವಿತ್ರಂ ಮಹಗಾಢತಿಮಿರಾಂತಕಂ ಸೌರಗಾತ್ರೌ ಮಹಾಕಾಂತಿಬೀಜಂ ಮಹದೇವ್ಯತೇಜಂ ಭವನೀಸಮೇತಂ ಭಜ ಮಂಜುನಾಥಂ. ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಂಕರಾಯ ಚ ಮಯಸ್ಕರಾಯ ಚ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ ಚ ಶಿವತರಾಯ ಚ ಬಪಹರಾಯ ಚ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಾಣದೀಪಂ ಶಿವಂ ಶಿವಂ ಭಜೆ ಮಂಜುನಾಥಂ ಶಿವಂ ಶಿವಂ. ಓಂ ಅದ್ವೈತ ಭಾಸ್ಕರಂ ಅರ್ಧನಾರೀಶ್ವರಂ ಹೃದಯಂಗಮಂ ಚತುರುದತಿ ಸಂಗಮಂ ಪಂಚಭೂತಾತ್ಮಕಂ ಷಟ್ಶತ್ರುನಾಶಕಂ ಸಪ್ತಸ್ವರೇಶ್ವರಂ ಅಷ್ಟಸಿದ್ಧೀಶ್ವರಂ ನವರಸ ಮನೋಹರಂ ದಶದಿಶಾಸು ವಿಮಲಂ ಏಕಾದಶೋಜ್ವಲಂ ಏಕನಾಥೇಶ್ವರಂ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿವ ಶಂಕರಂ ಪ್ರಣದಜನ ಕಿಂಕರಂ ದುರ್ಜನ ಭಯಂಕರಂ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಶುಭಕರಂ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಭವತಾರಕಂ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಹಿತಕಾರಕಂ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಭವ್ಯ ಭವನಾಯಕಂ ಭಾಗ್ಯಾತ್ಮಕಂ ರಕ್ಷಕಂ ಈಶಂ ಸುರೇಶಂ ಋಷೇಶಂ ಪರೇಶಂ ನಟೇಶಂ ಗೌರೀಶಂ ಗಣೇಶಂ ಭೂತೇಶಂ ಮಹಾಮಧುರ ಪಂಚಾಕ್ಷರಿ ಮಂತ್ರಮಾಶಂ ಮಹಾಶವರ್ಷಂ ಪ್ರವಶಂ ಸುಶೀಶಂ. ನಮೋ ಹರಾಯ ಚ ಸ್ವರಹರಾಯ ಚ ಪುರಹರಾಯ ಚ ರುದ್ರಾಯ ಚ ಭದ್ರಾಯ ಚ ಇಂದ್ರಾಯ ಚ ನಿತ್ಯಾಯ ಚ ನಿರ್ನಿತ್ಯಾಯ ಚ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಾಣದೀಪಂ ಶಿವಂ ಶಿವಂ.
ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರು. ಅಂಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಲಿರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಉಸಿರು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. ಅದ್ರ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ಹಾಡು. ಇನ್ನು ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ನಾಳೆ ಮೆಂಟರ್ ವಿಜಯ ಸತ್ಯ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅವರು ನಾಳೆ ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಡ್. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್, ಹೈ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಕಲ್ ಹಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಡು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅವನಿಗೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
ಓಕೆ ಗುಡ್. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಲಿರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಾಂಗ್. ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡು ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಯಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we can go directly with Lisha. Are you there, Lisha? Is she there? She usually will not be there.
Lisha.
No.
Very dull.
She's
or under any other name?
No. I think it is Lisha Kokarne only. I think she has a lot of network issues all the time. She has told me earlier also that she will not be able to attend many of the meetings.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know whether she is there or not.
No, she's not there. There's no Lisha Kokarne.
No. We can go with Riya Kiran, sorry. Riya Kiran. Are you there, Riya?
She's there, but she needs to put on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Riya.
Put on your video, dear.
Hi, Shruti ma'am.
Hello, hello, Ria.
Can you see me?
Yeah. I'll just make
Yeah,
you
she's making it. Okay. What are you singing, Ria?
Satyam Shivam Sundaram.
All the best. Good.
Priya, unmute yourself. Okay. No, not yet. Yeah.
रामावध में काशी में शिव कान्हा वृंदावन में दया करो प्रभु देखो इनको दया करो प्रभु देखो इनको हर घर के आंगन में राधा मोहन शरणम सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम सुंदरम सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम 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 सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम.
Very good.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Very nice. This is yet again a very simple song. It sounds very simple, but it's a very difficult song to sing. Very good, Ria. If I don't know, I was able to hear it as Sundharam.
Yeah.
Just make it Sundaram. Okay. I feel your pronunciation, only that. Otherwise, very neat singing. Okay. All the best, Ria. Keep it up.
All the best, Ria. Keep practicing. Okay. Yeah. And next we have Prapti Hegde. Are you there, Prapti?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm going to sing Silsila-e Chahat Ka.
Nice. Yes.
फासला था दूरी थी फासला था दूरी थी ताजुदाई कालम इंतजार में नजरे थी और तुम वहाँ थे तुम वहाँ थे तुम वहाँ थे झिलमिलाते जगमगाते खुशियों में झूम कर और यहाँ जल रहे थे हम और यहाँ जल रहे थे हम फिर से बादल गरजा है गरज गरज के बरसा है झूम के तूफान आया है पर तुझको बुझा नहीं पाया है ओ पिया ये दिया चाहे जितना सताए तुझे ये सावन ये हवा और ये बिजलियाँ मेरे पिया अब आ जाने मेरे पिया हो मेरे पिया अब आ जाने मेरे पिया सिलसिला ये चाहत का न मैंने बुझने दिया ओ पिया ये दिया ना बुझा है ना बुझेगा मेरे चाहत का दिया मेरे पिया अब आ जाने मेरे पिया. Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice.
Very nice. You have a very sweet voice, Prapti. Very
Thank
good.
you, ma'am. Thank you so
Very
much.
good. You're doing all that ending and all, no?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
You're
Yeah.
doing all that, no?
Yes,
Good.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. Because that's very important. And can you just say the lyrics once? सिलसिला ये चाहत
Oh,
का ना मैंने बुझने दिया.
silsila ye.
ಹಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಡೋದ್ ಬೇಡ.
Tune
ಸುಮ್ನೆ
or
ಹಂಗೆ
only
ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ.
the lyrics?
only the
Okay, only
lyrics.
the lyrics.
हाँ.
सिलसिला ये चाहत का ना मैंने बुझने दिया. And ओपिया में ओपिया
अब
ए दिया
ये
ना
ये
बुझा है
दिया.
ना
ये दिया.
बुझेगा.
Not A दिया. ये दिया.
Okay, हाँ सही. Okay,
And
ma'am.
something
ना
somewhere.
बुझा है
हाँ.
ना बुझेगा मेरे चाहत का दिया.
मेरी चाहत का दिया.
हाँ, okay.
मेरी चाहत का
But
दिया.
in some of the sources I saw it is
Don't
मेरे चाहत का.
listen.
Okay.
Always
Okay.
listen to it carefully and then do the corrections. Okay.
हाँ, okay,
And
ma'am. Okay.
अब आजा रे मेरे पिया. अब आजा रे मेरे पिया.
हाँ.
Okay. अब आजा रे मेरे पिया. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. All the best, Prapti. You're singing very nicely. Good.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay.
All the best, Prapti. How is your health now? You said you were not well at all.
Not
Absolutely.
well, is it?
Yeah, I have cough, ma'am, and my nose is blocked.
Blocked.
Also.
I can. That's why it's sounding nasal.
Take care of yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Now we have the youngest of the lot,
Aha.
Ayush Regan Menezes. Ayush? Are you there, Ayush?
I can't see him.
Okay.
No, I don't think anybody has logged in his name.
No,
also.
he's not there. Somebody else's name?
No, I don't think anybody there. I don't see anybody. Menezes, no.
Okay.
No. If he was there, he would have said yes at least. Okay,
Yeah.
let him come back if he's there. We'll just go ahead with Yukta Holla.
Yeah, she's there.
Yukta.
Hello.
Put on your video, my dear.
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಒಂಚೂರು
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಒಂಚೂರು ಎಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಶನಿವಾರ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಪೆರಡೂರ್ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಉಡುಪಿ ಮಠಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತ. ನನಗೆ ಉಡುಪಿ ಮಠದ ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಗೆ ಆ ಹಾಡ್ ಹಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ದೇವಿದ ಇದು ಹಾಡ್ತಾ ಅಡ್ಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾಡಮ್ಮ ಹಾಡ್ ಅಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
ಯಾವ ಹಾಡದು?
ಒಳಗೆ ಸೇರಿದರೆ ದೇವ್ರ ದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಒಳಗೆ ಸೇರಿದರೆ
ಸಾರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ. ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
Okay.
She has a very
bold voice.
Bold, very bold. Like Shubha Mudgal ಮತ್ತೆ Ellari Ishwari, Sunidhi Chauhan, Atra voice also.
Very good.
And she portrays it very well. I mean, it's very nice to listen to in the mic also, Then ನಾವು ಇದು ಏನದು ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ ರೌಂಡ್ ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, so it sounded very well actually.
That's good.
She has a good hold on that voice particularly.
Okay, that's nice.
Ready ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
One of my most favorite singer is Usha Uttup.
Yeah.
I enjoy singing her songs also because lovely she is.
And definitely not the easy ones to sing. Whatever she sings,
Hello.
Ready, she's ready.
Yes.
Okay, Yukta. ಹಾಡಮ್ಮ.
ಹಾ ಭವಾನಿ ದಯಾನಿ ಭವಾನಿ ದಯಾನಿ ಮಹಾಭಕ್ತ ಪಾಲಿನಿ ಮಹಾಭಕ್ತ ಪಾಲಿನಿ ಸೂರನರ ಮುನಿ ಜನ ಮಾನಿ ಸೂರನರ ಮುನಿ ಜನ ಮಾನಿ
सकल बुध ज्ञानी भवानी दयानी भवानी दयानी जगज्जननी जगदात्री जगज्जननी जगदात्री महिषासुरमर्दिनी महिषासुरमर्दिनी ज्वालामुखी चंडी ज्वालामुखी चंडी अमरा पद ज्ञानी भवानी दयानी भवानी भवानी भवानी.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Krupa ma'am was saying that you have a very bold voice. Gottagta ide. You have a very bold voice.
Thank
Very
you,
good.
ma'am.
Okay, sing your song which you are going to sing for the competition. Okay, sing it well. All the
Okay,
best.
ma'am.
Very nice, ma. Very
Thank
nice.
you, ma'am. Sorry, ನಂಗೀಗ
You don't say
That's
sorry,
okay.
ma. No, not.
ಯುಕ್ತ ನೀನಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಮ್ಮ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ,
ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ
ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಹಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಯಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನಮಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗಾಯ್ತು.
ಹೌದೌದು. Very good.
Okay, thank you,
Okay, ma.
Yukta.
Thank you, Yukta.
Thank you, ma'am.
All
Namaste.
the best. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. I think we have come to the end. I think all of them have sung now. Only I think Ayush was not there, and Lisha was not there, and Shweta Kulal was not there.
Maurya.
Maurya.
Maurya, are you there? Usually he doesn't miss any session usually.
He was there that time, but now I can't see him.
Is it?
Maybe he could not
left.
log
Yeah,
on
yeah,
later
yeah,
on.
No worries, no worries.
Okay, fine. Anyways,
No problem.
I think children, how did you like the session today? I think can somebody answer? I would ask Parjanya. Parjanya, are you there?
Yeah, she's there.
Yeah. Parjanya, can you tell me how did you feel the session today? How did you like it? Hello? No. Maurya, are you there? I can see your name now.
Yes, ma'am.
Maurya
Okay,
is
you
here?
didn't sing today, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Did you know?
No, ma'am. No.
And then where are you? Okay, fine. Okay, now sing now your song.
Yes. दिल का दरिया बह ही गया, इश्क इबादत बन ही गया, खुद को मुझे तू सौंप दे, मेरी जरूरत तू बन गया, बात दिल की नजरों ने की, सच कह रहा तेरी कसम, तेरे बिन अब न लेंगे एक भी दम, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम, तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम.
Very good. Good, Maurya.
Thank you.
Good. You are singing the song. How the composition is? You are putting in all the expressions and good. You are doing justice to the song. Very good,
Yes.
Maurya.
Thank
All the
you.
best. Huh? All
Thank
the
you.
best.
All the best, Maurya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sing well, practice well, listen well. Okay.
Yes.
All
Yes.
that we say I'll tell you every time, all the students for that matter. And thank you, children, for being with us for such a long time. And your interest matters a lot to us. And you have waited for your turn to come. And the parents also who have the backbone of the children who are sitting behind and listening to them always, practicing at home and in the sessions. Thank you so much. And Shruti, I don't know, because I want you to sing few more songs, but we are running out of of time also today. But can you sing one song, Yes Janaki song for us? One.
Oh, S. Janaki, is it? Okay, I
Yeah.
was planning to sing one Usha Uttup in the end,
Fine,
just
fine.
to.
No problem at all. Usha Uttup anytime.
I'll just hum 2 lines of Nagu Endide, and then
Oh yeah,
I'll
sure,
quickly go
sure,
to.
sure, sure.
ನಗು ಎಂದಿದೆ ಮಂಜಿನ ಬಿಂದು ನಗು ಎಂದಿದೆ ಮಂಜಿನ ಬಿಂದು ನಲಿ ಎಂದಿದೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಇಂದು ನಗು ಎಂದಿದೆ ಮಂಜಿನ ಬಿಂದು.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
And
much. That
quickly,
was-
I'll end it with a Usha Uttup song, which I
Yes.
generally end my shows in general. One second, let me change the Shruti. दोस्तों से प्यार किया, दुश्मनों से बदला लिया, जो भी किया हमने किया शान से, शान से। दोस्तों से प्यार किया, दुश्मनों से भी प्यार किया, जो भी किया हमने किया शान से, शान से, शान से। Thank you.
Fantastic, Shruti. Fantastic.
Thank you.
We will definitely hold a different session, because we are in the Mahila Samaj, Manipal. We are all music lovers, and there are such elderly ladies who just sing and dance along with. Because I have seen them doing it.
I would
Because
love to. I would
used to-
love to.
Yes, definitely. You are most welcome. We will see to it that you are brought to Udupi for that reason, and we will enjoy your music. Thanks for being with us for such a long time and patiently listening to all the children and mentoring and giving them a lot of tips required for their finale. And directly hand over to Madam Padma for the formal.
I'll just say a few words about
Yes.
Ma'am
Yeah,
Shruti.
please. Yes, Sarita,
Yes,
please.
Sarita. Yes, Sarita.
Sorry, I had to log out of my computer. I'm outside. I just wanted to tell you, Shruti, amazing mentoring. You have such a great personality along with your voice, and the way you sing and the way you mentor the children. It's fantastic. Thank you so much. It was like from the heart, your mentoring.
Yes.
And I'm sure we all enjoyed every minute of today's session. Right, Kripa? I think
Definitely.
Thank you, Sarita ji. Thank you so much.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Pleasure to listen to you singing, Shruti.
Yes.
Thank you,
Because,
ma'am.
we have seen you live on the Facebook and other live programs and things like that. But to see you being with us, amongst us, it's a pleasure. Thank you so much for being with us.
And I would also like to thank all of you. It's been just like a family, I felt it's like a family get together. And once again, I would like to thank Sarita ji and Krupa ma'am, Padma ma'am, and Miss Bhandari ma'am. Thank you, Gopi sir. It was nice listening to you too, and everyone, all the children, their parents, everyone. Thank you so much. Really, I felt my Saturday was, my Saturday evening was spent very musically. Thank you to all of you, and also thank you to the entire team of Manipal Mahila Samaj. And students, whoever children, please take whatever I have said in a positive way, definitely. Okay, and all the best to all of you. May the best person win the competition.
That's the thing.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
Shruti.
you. Thank you so much.
Padma madam, over to you for the.
Yeah, somebody was asking some question, Kripa, one boy, just. Somebody was asking. I heard.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, good evening to you all.
Yeah.
Good evening to you all. I consider it as a great privilege to propose vote of thanks on behalf of Manipal Mahila Samaj on behalf of Manipal Mahila Samaj, I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to today's resource person, musician, Shruti Bhide. Thank you, ma'am, for your, you have given your valuable time and joined us in, mentoring the children and also advising, giving them amazing tips to correct themselves. And I hope they have become more confident by listening to you to,
Thank you.
to face the finale. And thank you very much for your excellent information about how to sing and how to face the competition. Thank you very much. And also we heard your song, which is still good, Usha Uthup. Thank you for that. And I also thank Mr. Gopi Kamath from Dubai for, joining us in wishing Kripa Madam on her birthday. And it was a beautiful evening. It is a very successful evening because of you both. Thank you very much. And I also extend my thanks to the parents for registering their children for Udupi Shining Star. And also it is not an easy job to, train them and at home also, along with the mentors and our team. Thank you very much, dear parents. And I wish all the 20 contestants who are facing the finale, all the best to each and everyone. They sang very well today and have, give very good performance, give your 100%. Thank you very much. Bye. Thank you, one and all. And also our team of Udupi Shining Star, Madam Deepa Bhandari, Kripa, and others. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Padma Madam, for that wonderful
Yes,
vote of thanks, and all the children and all of you who have wished me on my birthday today. And it has definitely made me given me a very special feeling, and definitely thank you. I thank you, everybody. Thank everybody for wishing me. Please tell me when you are in Udupi, sir. I definitely don't mind.